Good day. Welcome to G-Lite Concept. So today we're going to be learning how to make customize a paper bag, and this will include the design and the measurement. For the sake of time, I've typed everything right here, and we are going to just be picking our typed work and just placing it. And I'll be showing you the various different measurements we can go with here. So first of all, you can just pick the rectangle tool, and I love using inches, so measurement is in inches. Just pick the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle here of about 3 by 3 inches. Maybe just drop that there. Let's just give this 3 by 3 inches. That's locked, so let's change this to 3 by 3 inches. So just make sure I'm zooming close so that you can make sure it's touching the end of our rectangle. Just dress it a little bit to make sure it's touching the end. For now, I'll leave the outline here so that we can see what we are doing. So now you just duplicate this, and let's keep it right here. So now let's drag this to this side. So this is going to form the under of your bag. You understand? So now we still duplicate this again. Just take it up a little bit, and okay, here we go. And now stretch this to this point. So this is going to give us the side. So you see that the under is 3.0 by 13.54 inches, and the side is 3.0 by 8.653 inches. So this is our side back, this is the under, this is the side also, but this is going to be folded under. So that is why we've made a demarcation here. So right now, what we need to do now is just get, let's just get a rectangle here, just this way, that will cover this portion, and we are good to go. So now I love demarcating my bag so that I can just know where and what is there. So for the under, I love using CMYK RGB. So let me just change the color here real quick. So this is RGB, and here we go. Just for the video. So let me just look for a color here. Okay, let's say this color. Let's just give that color there. Maybe just give it a little transparency. So mm, let's leave it at 15 for now. So there you go. Now let's power clip this into the main background here. So now power clip this right in here. Power clip inside. I just double click to edit power clip. Just reduce the size a little bit. Okay. So I think that's okay. So if you're not sure if this is centrally fit, you just right click here and say fit contents, fit center port. Depending on how your work is right there. So this is what we have right here. So now this is the side. The side I just want a little blend of this color there. So I'm just going to sample this here and here. Yeah, there you go. So you can remove the outline for now. You can choose to leave it. Maybe when we finish the work. So now we just pick the name, Vogue by Lizzie. I just here you go. Just make sure it's at the center of this. That's control page up because I already typed this before drawing this. Corridor is going to drop it at the back. So just press shift, letter and C, and this is now showing exactly in the center of this. Let me fit this to page so that you can see everything clearly. Oh, yeah, something like that. So you pick this, just keep it here. This whole work is going to be mostly centralized. It's went under again, so control page up, and there you go. So now shift, you hold your shift and you select this and you press C, and it is now going to align exactly in the center of that. And so this is our for inquiries and social media handles. I've already typed them and arrange them in this way. So all we just need to do is just um just select this all, and let's pick it here. So you're just going to centralize this, and there you go. So if you think this is not centered, you can just ungroup this and maybe just select this one only, and let's see, it's centered. So that's for that. So you can see that now the main part of our bag is now arranged. Well, you can change the colors to suit you. You can use this color here if that is what you want. You can use that there. I just ungroup that so that this other color can show. But I don't think it's going to go as well. Let's just remove the outline. No. See that? Or you can choose to maybe give it a blue shade. Depends on what you want, and then maybe you can change this to something like this too, or something like this. So depending on how you want it to be, maybe something like this. Still very okay. So but I think let's go for red and see. See red. Okay. That is not bad too. Also the icons you can as well change them to the size of your to the color of your choice. Like this one. I just wanted everything to be in black, but you can change them. You can change this. You can give this any color of your choice. You can give it the Facebook green or sorry the Facebook blue or anything. You can give it anything you want. But for the sake of it, let's leave it in black because that's what I really want it on black. Okay, so there we go. If I change this to black also, this is going to be black. So if this is not bold enough for you, you can just maybe add the outline there. There you go. But this is okay. So that's it for the main work. So now let's go to the site. I've already typed this here. The site is just this social media handles. This is just what we're going to use on the site. Understand? So now we're just going to rotate this to 90 degrees. Just rotate it to 90 degrees. Okay. Yeah, that was already rotated. So I just change it to 0. And here you go. So we're just going to pick this and place it here. You can see the line showing us this is middle, but there's something I'm going to showing us to be showing us right there. So page up to bring it up, and then just hold your shift and select this. Press C to keep it in the center of that, and E to also keep it in the center vertically. So that is that for that. You can see that our design is now ready. So we can let's change this color to something else. Is that not too dull? It's the one that so anyhow we want to do it, you can just do something right there. Just want to use different colors so that when during the finishing it will be obvious which is which and which is not which. So let me see. Yeah, I think I like that. And let me see this. Yeah, I think this is okay for me for the under. Or should I go for something a little bit thicker for this? Let's just make it transparent. Yeah, this is very okay for me. This is just the under of the bag. It's not part of the design. It's going to be folded under. As a matter of fact, you won't even see this. So let's just remove the outlines now. None. Just click on this. None. Or you can just click on this and just right click here. No outline. Or you can click on this and you can see right click here. No outline. So there you go. This is our bag. Perfectly designed. Just group that. Perfectly designed and ready for print. Oh, scan me. So this is just a QR code for the business. You can just scan this to get this to the WhatsApp of this company. And maybe if you need any services, it's just a WhatsApp QR code. So maybe let's just take it somewhere here and maybe raise it up a little bit. Yeah, something like this. Something like this, okay. Uh, I want to take alignment with this. Okay, yeah, it's already did. So there you go. So let's just fit it to page so that you can see it very well. Now this is our design here. Now remember that these colors here are just to show you the under, so that when you are folding it, you can know which is which. And you can choose to bring this down a little bit. You can choose to bring this down a little bit. Let me ungroup this. Why are you bringing it down? Because at the end, they are going to fold this bag. The top is going to be folded, so you just need to make a demarcation, something to show that yes, they will fold this here. So maybe just a line. A line is okay. Just something like this. Hold control and just draw something like this. So this is a little bit small, but you can just take it somewhere just right here. Yeah. And then let's give it a color that it will show but not too obvious. You can see that, right? Yeah, you can see that. So just bring it here and just right click here and I click there. So this is just to show the person doing the finishing for this bag. That is the folding. If you don't know how to do it yourself, just to show you that this is where it's going to be folded to make the cover. You can choose to make this color however you want, but I love it very dim. Yeah, I love it this way so that however it is, it's not going to show. Though once folded, it's going to be inside, but I just love making it dim. I appreciate it that way more. So this is how you design a paper bag in CorelDRAW. My next video, I will show you the finishing of this paper bag, how it was, and how we ended up the production of this bag. Thank you. So, thank you. And please do remember to hit the subscribe button and always come back for more.